Hi guys, welcome to this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel and write in the comments I signed up so I can answer you. I also remind you that in the first link in the description, there is the same course that I followed and that changed my life, because he explained to me what is the system to earn online through social platforms. Today we will talk about how to use YouTube for setting up an online business. 1. You have to start, in the sense that it is important that you start publishing videos right away. Not tomorrow, not in a month, but now. It's almost impossible to upload a perfect video the first time, but you have to start somewhere, or am I wrong? As a first indication, I can tell you that it would be great if you made a video that lasts between 8 and 10 minutes. This way people will understand that you have something to say about that topic and they will trust you more. If you want to grow at a good rate, publication frequency will also be important. Oh yes, because the perfect quantity would be 2 videos a week. If you manage to publish even more often, that's fine. The important thing is that the quality of the videos remains constant or increases. It must never decrease. Do not make the mistake that almost everyone makes, that is to publish one video every day for 1 week and then give up because you do not see the results. I will give you a preview, probably for the first month, maybe even for the second, or even for the first year. No one will notice you and your videos won't be seen. So get this thing in your head. Find your ideal pace and post consistently even if you don't see the results. Oh, I forgot. Before continuing, did you click the link in the description? You miss out on great content, too bad. 2. It is essential that you create your brand. Therefore, you must choose a symbol that you represent, easy to remember and that transmits transparency. It is not necessary that you find the perfect logo immediately, then you will develop it over time. Also remember that the logo must be consistent with your business and what you want to advertise. On YouTube, as on Facebook, you will have a space at the top of the channel page to insert a cover photo. Try to make the most of it, perhaps by trying to make people understand more in detail what your company or page is about. It is essential that you maintain a certain consistency, in the profile picture, in the cover photo, but also in the content you create and put online. The more recognizable your channel is, the more people will remember you easily, so the more likely they are to come back to look at your products and then buy. 3. Whenever someone sends you a message, comments on your photos and asks you for information, reply as soon as possible, thus giving the impression of being immediately willing to support your customers in the purchase. In addition to the algorithm of all social networks in general, the faster you are to reply to your subscribers, the more the algorithm will see you active and therefore will help you grow. As I often tell you, remember that the platforms for sharing videos and photos have the purpose keep the user on the platform as much as possible. So if you reply to a comment, you are actually doing what the algorithm wants, keeping users online. This will help you in your digital growth. 4. Create beautiful covers. I personally have noticed that video covers with more elements of different colors work better and attract more people to click than those with few elements of similar colors. Here you will have to experiment and see what type of cover works best for your channel. The important thing is that they are of quality and convey professionalism. If you do things randomly, people will notice. 5. As for generating subscribers and views, it will be normal that initially you will not have any. So you must have the right mindset. You must prepare yourself before starting this business, with the knowledge that you will fail many times. Falls. But how do you get up after each failure? Failure is part of the process of success. Failure is a good thing if after each failure you understand what you did wrong and see what you can improve. 6. I have already said this in point 1, but it is better to repeat it. You must be constant. The YouTube algorithm rewards constancy. If you want to grow on YouTube, you cannot publish 7 videos in a week, and then for 2 months YouTube won't see you as a serious content creator it can bet on. 7. Do not buy views, followers and likes. It makes no sense, and now I'll also explain why. When you release a new video, the algorithm initially recommends it to your subscribers. If you don't have it, it recommends it to some random person. If this video is mostly seen by your subscribers in the first 48 hours, then YouTube thinks this video is of very good quality. Then it will show it to someone who is not subscribed to your channel. If these people will also watch your video, at least largely, YouTube will recommend it to other people. This is to let you know that if you buy followers, they will never watch your newly released video, so YouTube will think your video is low quality and uninteresting. 8. You could advertise your YouTube channel within your other social pages such as Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, etc. It could be useful but also very dispersive. What I mean is that if you have 10,000 followers, then advertise your YouTube channel. It could be useful. If you have 10 followers on Instagram, 7 on Facebook and 2 on Pinterest, well then it is useless, because nobody follows you anyway. 9. To increase subscribers to your YouTube channel, you have to ask users to subscribe. I know, it sounds absurd, but if you don't tell them to, they don't. Probably because they don't think about it, but remember that every single subscriber you manage to earn is essential for your growth. When you ask to subscribe at the beginning of the video, also try to make them understand what they will receive in return. For example, you could say, "Hi guys, welcome to this new video. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated on the best ways to make money online." Always give your user a reason to take an action, otherwise what reason would he have to do it? 10. The content you create must always have a goal. You must be able to respect that line that divides information with the sale. If you give your users 99 free tips, why should they pay for tip number 100? Don't be afraid to make it clear that you have a product to sell. Whether you are selling a physical product or not, you are trying to satisfy a need of the people, so it is right for you to get paid. The important thing, as I said before, is that you don't try to sell junk content, because it's not good. You must always keep the quality high, in everything, so users will start to trust you, because you are a correct person. 11. Try to find a niche and follow that. Especially initially, if you have a thread connecting all the first 30 videos, you will have a great advantage, because YouTube will know who to recommend your videos to. For example, if you talk about products for animals, the algorithm will understand that you really intend to talk about products for dogs and cats, for example, and then recommend your videos to the right users. If you create a channel after you talk once about dogs, another time about cars, then about money, at that point YouTube won't